She has been met by a wall named Ambos and Maglupa each time.
Very tough wall to break.
Pineda, why not? Why not? Villanueva, who was perfect from the three-point arc, has not scored here as Bridget Santos with another three-point hit.
Not to come back from this game. You want to continue to do things right and correct whatever mistakes you did.
Kaya Biab, first three-point shot of the ball game. Pastrana pushing the pace still. Pastrana. Layup is missed. Snatched away by Sherba.
Ayaw na tuloy mag-Pinoy step niya, no? Ken Pastrana.
Sherba, her three-pointer. And eventually, the keys of the kingdom will be handed into her pag nawala na si Pastrana and Soriano.
I mean, you see here Soriano being hounded there. But of course,
what happened in that emotional practice? We need answers. Marga, please.
may ano ba yun? Live viewing, Coach Heidi, ng practice.
Can you ask? Can you go?
Pass to Braun for that three-point shot. And Pingol still adding up.
Altarado at the post. Our human encyclopedia, or one of our writers, Mix Flores. Final four here, the last was season 79. It was NU 96. Pastrana inside. Santos thought twice. Agatha Braun will finish.
See here. Look at the playmaking.
Of the 60 points, Marga. Or the 61 points rather of NU. 23 points only allowed here.
It's showing everyone here. But of course, Spring.
USD was quick to call timeout after a Pring three-pointer. We approach our last 2 minutes here in the fourth quarter. USD well on their way to force a deciding game, even in these types of games as well.
Exactly. Of course, Ken Pastrana. I bet she's calculating how many points she can score in 2 minutes.
The challenge here for NU as Spring knocks down another.
Being a bit quiet in the first few quarters, it did not stop any
Turnovers, and you just felt the momentum completely shift. Pineda, another three-point shot. That's her second here.